What's up, traders? Matt from the Trade Brigade here doing a technical analysis on ticker symbol SFT for Shift Technologies. On the left-hand side, we have the daily time frame, and on the right-hand side, the 30-minute intraday time frame. First things first, I need to let you know they gave us an earnings announcement after the bell today, so let's flip on the extended hour session, see what's going on with the number. So as that loads, certainly a green look. So, very likely that we'll be opening on a gap up for tomorrow's session, but remember, a lot can happen between now and 9:30. However, again, just looks like we're getting a little bit of price acceptance up here as opposed to pure rejection coming back down towards the low or meat of today's range. So let's go ahead and start off by giving ourselves the anticipated open. We'll say it's here at 714 and then the anticipated overnight high at 725. Remember, those numbers can change as we discussed. We also want to know while we're here what today's high of day was at $6.78. So let's now turn this off and talk about how this may unfold at the bell tomorrow morning. We could do this on the 30-minute just because the daily's just, I suppose it doesn't really matter which one, but the 30-minute will suffice for today. So anyways, number one scenario is always the gap and trap. So if we open here, fail to take out the overnight high, fail to attract new buyers here to essentially continue this uptrend, what we're looking for is a rotation back down through the open for a short-sided trade to fill the gap to today's high, which as we just pointed out is at $6.78. Now, are you actually going to short this thing? If we come on over to the trade tab, what you'll notice is it's hard to borrow, and the put contracts here, the volume's not that great. Certainly, this is okay, and maybe that would change if there's a downdraft tomorrow, but notice that there's a 5-cent spread here, just not that attractive in my estimation for trying to play the downside here in the name. Instead, what I would point out is that you should just avoid longs if that's the case. If we do that scenario, so this, trade back lower through the open, you're just sitting, being patient, and seeing if we can get some sort of gap fill reversal off of this $6.78 mark. So that's the downside. The flip side of this coin, I'm sure the one a lot more people are potentially excited about, is the gap and go. So this is scenario number 2 here, where we open here, put in some sort of bullish consolidation in the overnight range, could be an ascending triangle, could look like a bull flag, right? Something that looks like this. Overall, looking for a break up and over the overnight high, which is 725 as of right now, to bring us into the next major daily area of resistance, not the 30-minute, but the daily. So that would basically put into play these double top portions in here at 755. What you'll notice is we have touch number 1 and 2, and again, that breakout might look something like this into tomorrow's session. So that's what I would watch out for to the upside. After that, there is a little room to run. There's not really a clear resistance, maybe this level right here at 781 as the next up. Notice that it was prior support, then acted as resistance in this section. So maybe if there's really big continuation, right, if there's really big volume supporting this move higher, if the move is higher, then that would be the next structural element to watch out for at $7.81. That's really going to wrap up the video. It's all about, do we get the gap and go or the gap and trap for tomorrow morning? If you enjoyed the video or learned anything new today, let me know in the comments section or by giving the video a thumbs up. Don't forget our main channel is linked in the description, and all of that being said, I wish you a green trading week.